Hello guys, in this video I'll first show you the sketches which I've created for my AR book project, and then I'll share with you some sketching tips so that your image target can also get 4 to 5 augmentation star rating. Now for this AR book project I have created a total of 6 sketches. The first sketch is of the book cover which received 5 stars. The second one is of the sun which received 4 stars. The third sketch is of a house which also received 4 stars. The fourth one is of a ship which has 4 stars. The fifth one is of a car which has 4 stars again. And finally, the sixth image target is of the aeroplane which received 5 stars. After showcasing you all of my sketches, now I'll give you some sketching tips so that you can sketch images with 4 to 5 augmentation star rating. So in my case, I first sketched the main image in the center of the drawing paper. In this example, it is the house. If I upload just this basic image, then I'll only get 0 to 1 augmentation star rating. So after this, I added some props while sketching trees, clouds and grass bushes. I then added these dashed lines inside the grass and the clouds, so that these dashed lines can be recognized as unique feature points. Now do not color the clouds and the trees completely, as Vuforion's image recognition algorithm does not recognize colors. It tries to detect unique edges or dotted lines on an image and generates yellow color feature points on top of those edges. So that's why I've added these dashed lines inside each object. Next, I have written this house text as Vuforion's algorithm generates unique feature points on top of text as well. In my AR1 project, if you remember, I had used this specific book cover as image target, and it also had 5 augmentation star rating. If I show you examples of some other book covers, then even these book cover image targets have received 5 augmentation star rating because of the book title text. So presence of text can boost an image's star rating. Now, while sketching, use darker or medium shade colors because as per my observation, Vuforion's algorithm do not recognize lighter colors like yellow or orange that well. This sun image target, for instance, is made up of red, green, blue and black color as its primary colors instead of yellow or orange color. And that's why this image target has received 4 augmentation star rating. When I had previously designed the sun image target for my very first AR book or AR book version 1, so during that time, since I had sketched the sun using yellow and orange color, so that's why it only received 2 star rating, and that's why it was very difficult for the webcam to recognize it. Finally, while sketching, use sketch pens as they have thicker nib when compared to a normal pen, and thus images sketched with a sketch pen do get good augmentation star rating. Images sketched with a normal pen may not get good augmentation star rating because of the thin lines. So guys, after showcasing you my image targets and sharing some sketching tips, I'll end this video over here and I'll see you in the next video.